Meeting with Valerie at 4:30.
X squared multiplied by V squared.
This is Ricky, my fish.
Take the first right, continue straight till the second intersection.
With Note Taker, digital notes and freehand drawings can be taken by just writing on plain paper and simultaneously creating a digital ink copy of whatever you write. You can express your thoughts in your own handwriting, personalize messages, and convert your handwriting into typed text. The cordless regular-size pen writes on regular paper and doesn't require any digitizing surface. It is compatible with all latest Windows versions. The receiving device, attached to the top or corner of the page, records your notes very accurately. Handwritten notes can be taken while away from your computer. Over 70 pages can be stored in the flash memory. The notes can later be uploaded to the computer, emailed, and filed as ordinary computer files. While the Note Taker is plugged into the computer, new inking features designed especially for digital pens become available. Note Taker can also be used as a mouse and pointing device. The digital pen adds new life to Windows Vista and Office 2007. It helps utilize the powerful capabilities like personal note-taking and handwritten email composition. By combining the Note Taker with Windows Vista, your ordinary PC is transformed into a tablet PC. You can write and accumulate information directly into Windows Journal. Vista introduces intelligent handwriting recognition as a natural supplement to keyboard input. Special new integrated digital inking tools are readily available and enriching the entire Office 2007 family. With Snipping Tool, inking can be added to captured images and then saved and emailed. Note Taker can be used in Messenger, sticky notes, and so much more. Note Taker is based on unique, innovative, and well-patented technology, ideal for students, business people, and home users. Note Taker, the freedom to write anytime, anywhere.